Salam and welcome to my channel. It's Eid today and I am making Oreo milk cake. Take Madeira cake and layer it in the dish. Make a mixture of evaporated milk, condensed milk and fresh milk. Now pour it over the cake. In a bowl add 1 pack of double cream and whisk it until it's whipped. Now spread the cream over the cake. Crush some Oreo cookies and decorate the top of your milk cake as you like. Refrigerate for at least an hour or more. Your yummy Oreo milk cake is ready. Like and subscribe to my channel.